Powerful quad-core processor and fast dual-band wireless. 8x more processing power than before. Access to Amazon, Vudu, Netflix, Hulu, Google Play, and more. Portable for different HDTVS in your home, hotel, and dorm rooms. Unbiased search results across top channels to find where it's free or cheapest to watch. Free mobile app for iOS and Android with voice search and private listening. Top reviews from the United States. Exceeded expectations. Roku has done it again. This is my second Roku product I've owned and it still hasn't disappointed. If you have a HD TV or 4K, this is perfect for you. The resolution is amazing, there's no buffering or lagging when you switch between apps, the whole thing is awesome. Pros. Great picture quality, easy setup, simple design, connects to Wi-Fi quickly, smooth streaming, brighter colors. I compared to my HDTV's built-in Hulu app and the Roku's Hulu app and there's a big difference in color brightness. The remote app is still great. More choices for screensavers. Now you can choose your own photos or their 4K ones. And when you connect headphones to the remote it doesn't skip or stop working.